Think you've mastered ChatGPT? Think again. In this video, I'll show you advanced tips and tricks to get the most out of ChatGPT. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about AI, these insights will change how you use this powerful tool. Let's start with custom prompts. ChatGPT works best when your questions are clear and specific. For instance, instead of saying, "Tell me about AI," try this. Explain artificial intelligence to a 10-year-old in 200 words. This approach gives you focused and more valuable answers. Another example is asking it to generate 3 creative ideas for a marketing campaign in the fitness industry. You'll get tailored responses that you can act on right away. Moving on to productivity hacks. ChatGPT can be your personal assistant. Imagine writing polished emails in seconds. Just type, "Draft a follow-up email after a client meeting," and watch as it gives you a professional and ready-to-send response. Need to summarize a long research paper or article? Ask ChatGPT to summarize this article in 5 bullet points. It's perfect for saving time while staying productive. But ChatGPT isn't just for work. Let's explore its creative uses. You can write poems, short stories, or even plan a novel. Here's an example. Write a short story about a time-traveling scientist who discovers a future AI that controls the world. In seconds, you'll have a unique story to build on. Are you into coding? ChatGPT can help there too. Ask for a Python script to automate tasks or debug your code. It's a lifesaver for developers and hobbyists. Now, here's a pro tip. Use ChatGPT to plan your day. Say, create a schedule for someone who works remotely and wants to include exercise and learning. It'll draft a detailed plan that helps you balance work and personal growth. Before you get carried away, let's talk about limitations. While ChatGPT is powerful, it's not perfect. For instance, it doesn't always provide accurate facts or real-time data, so always double-check information, especially for critical tasks. Also, if the first response isn't what you need, try refining your prompt. For example, add more details or ask follow-up questions to guide ChatGPT in the right direction. Finally, here's a bonus tip. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming. Struggling with content ideas or project planning? Ask it to generate 10 YouTube video ideas about AI tools, and you'll have a list ready to go. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a game changer for anyone looking to save time, stay creative, and get ahead. Start experimenting with these tips, and you'll see how much easier your life can become. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more AI tutorials and hacks. Don't forget to comment below on how you use ChatGPT in your daily life.